Hello 3D modelers and animators. Here's a quick tutorial on how to get a cube to balance on a corner by rotating it. We'll be using blockbench in this example, but I am pretty sure this can work on Blender and other modeling applications and softwares as well. Okay, here's our cube. The first thing that comes to mind is to rotate the X, Y, and Z coordinates by 45 degrees. This, however, doesn't perfectly balance the cube. It's a bit lopsided. Maybe then you've tried to adjust the cube manually, but that didn't work either. And here we are now. Here's how to make the cube rotate perfectly. Step 1. Make sure the pivot point is at the center of the cube. You can eyeball it or use the little Jack's toy thingy down here to get a flat view of each side. Step 2. Rotate the X-axis to 45 degrees. Step 3. Rotate the Z-axis 35.26 degrees. You did it. Congratulations. You made a perfectly balancing corner cube. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for watching my tutorial.